Hello everyone, it's Joshua. How to turn off your Nothing Phone TI. So in order to do that, first of all, find your power button on the side of your phone. Also find your volume up button. And to turn our phone off, we will need to press the buttons simultaneously. Also, do not forget, do not confuse it with press and power button and volume down, because this combination makes a great screenshot. Okay, so now let's hold them, and as we see, our menu popped up. So to turn off our phone, simply choose power off. However, there is a second method to do that. So go to your settings here. Now scroll down to System. Here it is. And find Gestures. So here in our Gestures menu, let's find Press and Hold Power Button section. Here it is. So here simply press Power menu. And now when we are pressing the power button, we'll get this menu as well. So here simply click power off and our phone will be off. Easy as that. If you want to change your power button to digital assistant once again, as it said as a default, simply in this menu choose digital assistant, and now your phone is back to normal. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.